Rock climbers in Italy's Conero Regional Park discovered the oldest known giant seafloor reptile stampede, featuring over 1,000 fossilized 80-million-year-old footprints on a limestone cliff. Believed to be made by sea turtles fleeing a Cretaceous-era earthquake, the tracks were preserved by an immediate underwater sediment, location, and age, found on a vertical limestone slab, formerly shallow seabed, at Monte Conero, dating to the late Cretaceous period, approx 80-83 million years ago. The findings: over 1,000 paddle-shaped, paired, and moon-shaped impressions, according to phys.org. Cause of stampede: researchers suggest an earthquake triggered the panic, causing the creatures to flee preservation. An underwater landslide, calciturbidite, immediately buried the tracks, saving them from being erased by marine currents.